This is the UMC-400. It's a compact 5-axis machining centre built for precision and performance. With a footprint of just over 2 metres square, it delivers serious capability in a space-saving format, ideal for workshops where space matters. A 230mm integrated 2-axis trunnion provides full 5-axis motion for complex multi-sided work. Wireless probing from Renishaw ensures quick, repeatable setups. You can pick up work offsets, set tool lengths and verify part alignment in minutes. Dynamic work offsets and tool centre point control make programming and setup easy. The control automatically adjusts for fixture offsets and keeps the tool tip exactly where it should be. Travels are 432 by 279 by 330mm make it perfect for high precision small part machining. This particular UMC-400 has the optional 15,000 RPM spindle. It features a fast, reliable side mount tool changer that holds 30 tools as standard. Standard features include programmable coolant nozzle, spindle orientation, chip auger, rigid tapping and a 170 litre flood coolant system. This UMC-400 is available now ex-demo. It's from our UK showroom with low hours and a full warranty.